What's up, guys? This is Sonic 3D Blast Dude back again. I am on the 168th Street bound C local train where we left Fulton Street. The next stop is going to be Chambers Street. Right now, I'm in the process of helping some people get to 34th Street, Penn Station.
3 R and W trains. Connection is available to half. This is 168th Street bound C local train.
Okay, we are now leaving 23rd Street. That means the next stop is 34th Street, Penn Station.
Penn Station.
Attention everyone. If you have questions or need to report an issue to the group, the MTA police is located at this station.
Transfer is available to the M34, the next bus service. Connection is available to the Long Island Railroad.
All right, here we are. You're welcome. That's it for this adventure. This is Sonic 3D Blast Dude. I'll see you next time.